Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jada Nicole, and in today's video, as you guys can see, we are doing a motivational cleaning video. Hopefully this video brings you motivation to clean, or it's just therapeutic. I like watching videos like this. I did a video, when was my cleaning video? It was some months ago, and y'all actually liked it. I enjoyed doing it. It was actually really calming. So yeah, why not do another one? You know, it can really motivate you. I love watching other people clean their house. I don't know, maybe it's weird, maybe it's not. Keep my place clean for the most part, but it needs a deep clean. And like the main reason why I'm really doing it is because I really need to get my refrigerator cleaned out. Like, it's not disgusting, but you know how little things fall, like little food particles, and like I clean up as I go, but I really want to like completely like take everything out, clean my refrigerator. So I'm probably going to start in the kitchen first. As you guys can see, I already have Summer Walker playing. I had to pause it for the video because I am going to be like, I'm going to have some talking points. So I'll come in and out and like talk, but for the most part it's going to be like music and y'all just watching me clean, because you know I just want to relax and do it. I want to talk y'all head off. Y'all know I can talk, as I'm doing already. If you are new here, make sure that you click that subscribe button. If you do enjoy this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and make sure that your notification bell is turned on, that way you never miss an upload. Let's go ahead and get into this video. You already know I have to set the vibe. I have to have all the good scents going on in my home while I clean. So I'm just gonna burn this candle I got from Walmart. This is actually my favorite scent that they have, and it burns pretty well. It's from the Better Homes and Gardens. It's the salted coconut and mahogany. It smells so good. So I actually changed my mind and decided to start in my living room just because I need to vacuum and clean off of my end tables and my coffee table. So that's just what I'm doing. It really didn't take me that long. And then I'm also going to dust off of my TV stand because wow, it was so dirty and dusty. Don't judge. At least I cleaned it. Someone commented on my last clean with me, and they recommended this Folex carpet spot remover, and I'm using this to just wipe off my, like, I had like a little, I think it was like a food stain on my couch, and it really does the trick. So shout out to the person who recommended this because it actually does work. All right, so the living room's done. Vacuumed, dusted, wiped off my tables and everything, my work area, that's done. Now here's the real challenge, okay? The refrigerator. And yes, I'm still missing my handle. Like, I don't know why they haven't brought me my new refrigerator handle, but I'm still missing it. So I'm gonna make sure I call them tomorrow, but it's really not that bad. Like, it's really not, you know. But we're about to get started, so let's go. Okay, this is dirty. Needs to be cleaned. Needs to be thrown away. This is ridiculous. As you can see, I cleaned out my refrigerator, took everything out, bins, shelves, all of that. Like, I want to deep clean it. So I took all of the shelves out in the bins, and I'm just gonna cleanse those while I wash my dishes and then dry them off with a paper towel. Talk about a struggle. Like, I literally struggled getting these shelves back into my refrigerator, but oh my gosh, like, I feel so much better now. Like, I didn't even think it was that much like stuff that could be in your refrigerator. Like, I highly encourage, if you're watching this video, completely take everything out of your refrigerator, take the shelves out, wash them, deep clean it. Like, it's needed, and I feel so much better. Like, my refrigerator looks better, and it really wasn't that drastic, but you know, it was dirty, so it looks better. Now that I'm done cleaning the living room and kitchen, I've wiped down everything, swept, mopped, everything's pretty clean in there. I'm gonna go ahead and head over to my room. I had laundry today, and I do wash my bed linen pretty frequently. Like, it's a must for me. I always wash my bed linen. So I'm just gonna make up my bed and then wipe off my vanity and vacuum and just wipe some things down. My mom put me onto this Snuggle fabric freshener. I just spray it on pretty much every time I clean, or when I'm like cleaning up my living room area, I'll spray it on my couch or on my bed linen. It smells really good. It's fresh, like just my type of scent. And then I'm just gonna finish up some laundry. In case any of you were wondering, my comforter set is from At Home. As you can tell, mine is a little bit messed up. I did not follow the washing instructions properly, so it's a little bit messed up, but I still love it. But yeah, if you guys are wondering, that's where I got it from. Now all I have left to do is to change the trash bag and then also wipe off my trash can, because ew, what is that on the side of it? I feel so much better now. My place is clean. I feel more put together in a sense, if that makes sense. Y'all know how it feels when you have a full clean home, candles burning. You just feel so much better. And then I was gonna clean my bathroom, but I really cleaned it like the other day. It really didn't need much going on. I literally just swept the other day and mopped, so I left that part out. It was really mainly focused on the kitchen, which my refrigerator looks so much better. The only thing is I'm missing a shelf now because I shattered the glass. Like, go me, of course, Jada, of course. So yeah, I am all clean. I feel good. I started around, like, it's like 2:15. I started at like 11:30, but then we can cut out 40 minutes because I had to clean up the glass. But anyway, y'all know deep cleaning videos, like, well, we shorten it, but really in reality it takes like some hours. So, but I feel good. So yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure that you tune in for more, hit the notification bell, and I will see y'all in my next video.